Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will share this small tutorial how to use this app called MotionLeap. Also, it was called before Pixallop, and add interesting effects to your photos. This app is so easy to use from any smartphone to create amazing effects like movements, shadows, lights in just minutes. First, we need to select the image. Really important if you want to correct the color or if you want to add a watermark, it is recommendable to do it before using the app because the final result will be a video or a GIF, so you won't be able to use a photo editor anymore. Then you will see different options like elements, animate the picture, textures, etc., depending which effect are you searching for. In this example, I want to give emphasis to the flames, so I will use the fire element. Choose the size, and also you can erase areas that won't be affected by the flames, like the hands in this case. There is a limit of 5 effects that you can apply to the image. Be wise and don't overwhelm the image with too many effects. Choose a proper background, like the fire sparks in this case. And if the background of the picture is white or gray color, it could be interpreted by the app like the sky, so also you can replace it. Finally, to give a dramatic effect, you can play a little bit with the lights, and here you have the result. If you have any questions, please write your comment below, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing and giving me a like. That will be amazing. Thank you for watching. See ya.